Hello everyone, let us take a genuine feedback from the parents. Actually, what they were thinking before coming towards this event and how they are feeling right now. Okay. Hi sir. Sir, it's me Ayush, and we want to know the feedback exactly. What we are feeling at the time of filling the form, and after attending the webinar, what is the feedback? And
Oh, thanks. So I would say that the experience was phenomenal. So when I filled up form a couple of days back, I was thinking that what could be the type of interaction that we will be having. And since being a maths enthusiast, I was always seeking to meet more opportunities to meet new kids of this country who are trying to be more curious, to ask questions, and also that problem solving ability that always helps them to know that what are the best solution that can be done for any puzzles that they have not seen before, right? So I also got a chance, as you can see, there are so many students who are participating, so to interact with them, I could also solve a couple of puzzles with them, so that was quite fun. And I should say that you should also try to gain this experience at the same time, so that will be very much beneficial for your kids as well. Yeah.
okay, and sir, those who have not attended these sessions, so what feedback you want to give to them exactly? What they have actually missed for us?
So as you can see, most of the children, they are studying in schools from 6 to class 12. What I feel that the unique thing about this platform is that it always gives you the ability to think, and it gives you the logic that how you should think rather than jumping into the solution. So that is the main differentiating factor which I feel is the best part of this workshop.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So, okay.